After Kumbhakarna's fall, Ravana's son Indrajit entered the battlefield. Hidden in the sky, he rained down weapons that exploded and scattered darts upon the Vanaras. Some who looked up were struck in the eyes. Then, turning his fury on Rama and Laxmana, Indrajit unleashed the Brahmastra. Both brothers, pierced by countless arrows, fell unconscious. All around, chaos reigned. Sugriva, Angada, and many leaders were badly wounded. Only Vibhisana and Hanuman were still standing strong, moving from warrior to warrior, tending to the injured. Then they found Jambavan, the wise bear chief, bleeding heavily. With great effort, he whispered, "Hanuman, the fate of our army lies in your hands. Go quickly to the Himalayas, between Mount Kailasa and Mount Risabha. There shines a peak where rare herbs grow. Bring 4 Sanjeevani to revive the unconscious, Vishalyakarani to heal wounds, Suvarnakarani to restore skin and form, and Sandhanakarani to knit broken bones. Only you can do this." At once, Hanuman grew to an enormous size. The mountain beneath him sank under his weight. Then with one mighty leap, he soared into the sky, racing northward. Valmiki says he passed over rivers, cities, and snow-clad peaks, covering thousands of kilometers in mere hours. But when he reached the shining peak, he could not recognize the herbs. They had hidden themselves from sight. So, Hanuman chose the only solution. He tore up the entire mountain peak, with its forests, rocks and creatures, lifted it upon his palms and flew back to Lanka. The fragrance of the herbs filled the air. At once, Rama, Laxmana, and the Vanaras were revived. Wounds healed, strength returned, and the army rose again with renewed life. Hanuman then carried the mountain back and gently set it down in its place in the Himalayas. Now, did Hanuman literally carry a mountain across 2,500 kilometers? Valmiki does not explain this in terms of yogic powers or science. Some traditions take it as fact, a testament to Hanuman's limitless might. Others see it symbolically, that Hanuman brought great stores of rare Himalayan medicines, enough to save an entire army. Either way, the heart of the story is clear. When hope was fading, Hanuman's devotion, strength, and quick resolve turned the tide. For this reason, the scene of Hanuman carrying the mountain has become one of the most iconic images of the Ramayana, a symbol of faith, courage, and the power of service.